A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when awareness meets the order of life. Ladies and gentlemen, every human life unfolds inside a vast and intelligent order. Stars form, cells divide, seasons repeat, and time advances with precision. Modern science confirms that this order is governed by stable laws and measurable probabilities operating consistently across billions of years. Within this same structure, human awareness arises. The capacity to observe, reflect, choose, and adapt is not incidental. It is one of the most refined expressions of this cosmic order, an ability quietly embedded within human design. Physics reveals that the universe is finely tuned. Fundamental constants such as gravitational strength and electromagnetic forces operate within extremely narrow ranges. This precision allows matter to organize, energy to circulate, and complexity to emerge. Biology carries this order forward. The human brain, operating on roughly 20 watts of power, coordinates nearly 86 billion neurons, exchanging electrical and chemical signals continuously. Awareness emerges from this living energy network, sustained by circulation, respiration, metabolism, and neural coherence. Neuroscience shows that awareness strengthens when this internal energy system is balanced. Adequate oxygenation, rhythmic neural activity, and regulated stress hormones directly influence attention, emotional stability, and clarity of perception. Awareness is therefore not abstract. It is energy, informed intelligence. Human consciousness functions within a larger energy continuum. The body receives energy, transforms it, and transmits it through thought, action, and presence. When this flow is aligned, awareness sharpens naturally. When it is fragmented, awareness becomes unstable. Ancient wisdom recognized this long before instrumentation, describing awareness as something cultivated through alignment, balance, and conscious living. Modern science now affirms that awareness improves when the human system operates in coherence. This reveals a profound truth that awareness is a latent human capability embedded within every human system. What's the way forward? Understanding awareness practically changes how life is lived. Clarity improves when energy is conserved rather than scattered. Focus strengthens when attention is directed rather than overstimulated. Resilience grows when response aligns with reality rather than impulse. In professional life, this enhances decision quality. In relationships, it stabilizes emotional exchange. In personal growth, it transforms effort into consistency. Awareness then becomes an active skill developed through alignment, sustained by balance, and expressed through thoughtful engagement. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the universe follows order. Life unfolds through probability. Human awareness exists to navigate both with clarity. When awareness deepens, fear subsides, effort gains composure, and uncertainty becomes manageable. This is living with intelligence and balance, fully engaged with life as it unfolds. The revered Bhagavad Gita captures this elevated calm with quiet power in the words of Lord Krishna. Established in awareness, one remains unmoved amid all circumstances. In this steadiness, life is no longer overwhelming. It is understood, engaged wisely, and lived with quiet mastery. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.